Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this Suzuki SV650, registered the 14th of May 2025 on a 25 plate with only 938 miles and presented in Pearl Vigor Blue. This class-leading SV650 is in exceptional condition as you would expect with such little mileage. The SV650 is always a firm favourite of ours. It's A2 compliant with the installation of a restriction kit and a fun V-twin that's user-friendly and still has enough character to entertain the more experienced rider. With its user-friendly features that include an easy-to-read and navigate LCD display, low RPM assist, easy start assist and gear indicator, all as standard, this sets the naked urban bike apart from its competitors. The SV is a tried and tested motorcycle that has been in the Suzuki stable since 1999. With such heritage and pedigree behind this model, it really is an outstanding motorcycle to ride. This popular middleweight street bike will leave us serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK and a wide range of finance options. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 014 2444 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359 837799. Please note, we have a small £89 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.